you doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a video with an amazing home remedy for hair growth. This is a hair treatment with ingredients that you have in your kitchen. Before I go and tell you what the ingredients are, please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let's go and see what we're going to need.
So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 full tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it all together and it's ready to use. So you can see this is my hair before applying the treatment and it looks just dull and dry. While I apply this hair treatment, I'm going to tell you about the benefits of these 3 ingredients. Honey seals moisture in your hair, keeping it conditioned for longer, reduces breakage, prevents damage, strengthens hair follicles, stopping hair fall. The vitamin E and other nutrients in olive oil are very nourishing for your hair. Olive oil nourishes the scalp and helps to strengthen individual hairs. And finally, yogurt keeps your hair moisturized for longer, controls hair fall by improving scalp health and reducing the clogging of follicles. It balances the pH levels of your scalp. Once you have finished applying it, do a 5 minutes head massage to activate the hair follicles and improve blood circulation. Do a bun in your hair, put on a shower cap.
After this, you're going to wait for 30 minutes.
And this is the result of the treatment after washing my hair twice with shampoo and once with conditioner. It's so different. It's very conditioned. My curls are very defined. It's so shiny, soft, manageable, and it's just amazing the difference that a hair treatment can do in your hair. This treatment has also helped my hair grow even faster than it normally does. I love it.
Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you liked it, but most of all that you have a go, because as you can see, my hair is extremely soft, bright, shiny, and the split ends were all gone. So very highly recommended. This is it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the little bell down below so you can receive notifications every time there is a new video. Follow me on my social media. Click on that picture there to subscribe immediately to the channel and watch these other 2 videos that I am sure you're going to love. I will see you next Monday with another English video. Bye!